Using an EBT card at Walmart online is a convenient way to purchase groceries and other essential items from the comfort of your own home. To get started, you will need to have an EBT card and a Walmart online account. First, create a Walmart online account by visiting their website and following the prompts to sign up. Once you have an account, add your EBT card as a payment method. You can do this by going to the account settings and selecting Add Payment Method. Choose EBT as the payment type and enter your card information. Next, shop for the items you need and add them to your cart. Walmart accepts EBT cards for online purchases of eligible food items and other essentials. Be sure to check the eligibility of each item before adding it to your cart. When you are ready to check out, select EBT as your payment method. You will be prompted to enter your card information and PIN. Make sure to have your EBT card and PIN ready. After completing the checkout process, you will receive a confirmation email with details about your order. Your items will be shipped to your doorstep or made available for pickup at a local Walmart store, depending on the options available in your area. It is essential to note that Walmart only accepts EBT cards for online purchases in certain states. So be sure to check if your state is eligible before attempting to use your EBT card online. Additionally, some items may not be eligible for purchase with an EBT card. So be sure to review the eligibility of each item before checkout. By following these steps, you can easily use your EBT card to make online purchases at Walmart and enjoy the convenience of shopping from home. Remember to always keep your EBT card and PIN secure to avoid any issues with your account.